Alright, getting listed today. We've got this huge 2-story Miranda, 5 or 6 bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 3-car side entry garage. This thing's on a large lot, well over a ½ acre, or right at a ½ acre. Got some nice curbing out here. Pretty well landscaped with the bushes. And let's take a step inside and see what we got. So you come into the entryway with the staircase, and the loft is up there, and your dining area. And in here, this is the room that could either be an office, den, bedroom, extra room. There is a closet in it, so you do have the option. And here's your half bath downstairs with just the commode and the sink, and the storage underneath the staircase. And then you got this huge living room, carpet, and in the wet areas and traffic areas down here there is tile. And you got some nice maple cabinets with what appear to be quartz countertops. And this has a microwave, stove, and dishwasher in it currently. And out back here, got a huge screened room. They used to have a above ground pool over there. And there are 2 air conditioners on this house, one for each of the floors. And this is your refrigerator goes. And there's a closet there, and a closet there, and a pantry over there. So you got lots of storage space down here. Back through to the dining room. And this way to your 3-car garage. 2 separate garage door openers. Pretty good size. Your water heater's out here. And water treatment center. Water softener. And back through the dining room. And let's go take a look upstairs and see what they're hiding up there. The carpet looks like it's going to need to be replaced down here. And here's that big loft I was telling you about. And of course you can see downstairs and yell down to whoever's down there. And just kind of give you an idea of this area. At the end of the hall there is your laundry room. And this would be the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings. Fans on a remote sitting right there. And this is your master bath. Double sinks. Garden tub. And 2 closets. One there, one there. And then a linen closet for you. And the master shower and commode. And let's go back and take a look at the other bedrooms. Now I didn't pick these colors, just remember that. Here's the guest bath up here. It does have tile, single sink. And here's your orange room. Again, I didn't paint these, I'm just selling this thing. Good sized closet in there. Looks like you may need a door. And there's your thermostat. The air handler's in there. Bedroom number 2 is yellow. Carpet's not too bad. Maybe it can be cleaned. You may have to replace it. I'd put tile in this hallway or wood. There's another linen closet. And bedroom. Teal with pink socket covers, light switch covers. And again, same good sized closet. Carpeted floors. And here's your view outside. You can see the neighbor has a white vinyl privacy fence all the way across there, so you get their privacy for free. And across the hall is another brighter yellow room. Again, carpet could be cleaned, maybe. Might have to replace it. So that's about it on this one. Big house. Fairly decent price for a house this size, and a little bit of amount of work that it needs. But we'll be happy to show it to you, and if this don't work, we will find you something that will. Give Kiefer Realty a call, 352 861-6000.